What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on SafeMoon token. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Webull, valued up to $1,850, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account, deposit $100 and choose your free stocks. That's it. And let's start as usual with the definition of SafeMoon protocol. The SafeMoon protocol is a community-driven fair-launched DeFi token. 3 simple functions occur during each trade: reflection, LP acquisition and burn. And let's continue with some technical numbers of this coin. We are on CoinMarketCap, and as you can see, for now its total market cap is $2.8 billion, and the 24-hour tradable volume is $26.6 million. It declined for about 30%, a little bit less than 30% during the last 24 hours. And usually this sign shows us that we are on consolidation phase and we are about to see a huge spike in volume and in order to see huge price action. And as you can see, so far we don't have much price action according to this chart, and that's why I think when we will see the rise of this volume, we will see huge price action on a chart, and it's not 100% guaranteed that it will be a bullish price action. It might be a bearish as well, but in most cases we will see the rise of the volume with the rise of the price itself. And let's continue with their official Twitter page. For now they have 833,000 followers. They added during last 24 hours about 7,000 followers to their community of Twitter, of official Twitter page. And let's start with their latest tweets one by one. And 14 hours ago they tweeted this: 2.5 million SafeMoon holders. I have to say that this amount of holders is mind-blowing, and they are consistently growing. And basically I think it is very good that more and more people know about this coin, and more people they promote this coin with their friends, with their family. So let's continue with their next tweet. 13 hours ago they tweeted: "Tokenomics always wins." It means no matter bull market or bear market we have right now, you will always have a reflection, and you will always earn the extra tokens with their tokenomics. And the next one, 5 hours ago, split the bill with the SafeMoon wallet. And basically this functionality is widely spread among different apps. At least on Russia we have a bunch of banks that promote this type of functionality, and it's nothing new. And we have to understand that this is the example only. It is only the render of this wallet and the render of this functionality. So let's continue, and that's it, nothing to add. It is just been a tweet, how to acquire SafeMoon. So, and let's continue with their official Reddit thread, and let me show you this post. It is a post from the Julian Saunders. Basically, let me show you right here. It is a Twitter of Julian Saunders, and he is a very famous person among people who follow HCMC army, and he made a huge research, he made a huge due diligence for the HCMC and its lawsuit against Philip Morris. And right here we have this post, and he tweeted: SafeMoon CEO John Carney was an all-source analyst for the US Department of Defense. CTO Thomas Smith was the CIO of Goldsmith Blockchain Consulting. COO Jack Haynes Davis at Lake and Share Ltd. 2.5 million holders, investors in under 90 days. By December they will have 20 million holders. Watch this. And here is the response: "Is this real news?" And Julian Saunders tweeted: "I am not just interested in just catalysts. I want to know what the companies I investing in have real people with real resumes and actual credentials. The more the community understands who runs SafeMoon, the more confidence it builds within the investing community." and it's real. So you have to rely on this information because Julian Sanders made a very deep due diligence, and I think it might be very good from the safety standpoint. I think that the development team is very knowledgeable and it has a strong background. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So I made my previous video somewhere at this point, or maybe, yes, somewhere at this point when we hit this resistance line. And for now I drew this slope line just a couple of minutes ago. This line shows us the descending trend. You can see we have some kind of resistance slope in resistance line, and we hit it right here. And usually resistance and supports have to be broken with good volume. And right here, let me show it to you. Right here with this candle we have rather good volume, and we've broke it with decent amount of volume. This means it might be an actual breakout. And then we hit this peak, and for now we are in declining mode. And I have to say, from the technical standpoint, usually when the asset breaks the resistance or the support, usually it retested from the other side. And right here we can see that we broke it from this point, and for now we are trying to retest it at this level. And basically I am not a big fan of this type of resistances. I use only levels, as you might notice. And you have to realize that many of traders use different types of tools. But majority of them uses the same principles and uses the same price action volume and some kind of patterns. And that's why you don't have to overcomplicate your analysis. You just have to use your tools that you are familiar with, and these tools usually shows you the real picture. So, and let's continue with the analysis itself. I've told you that we might have a retest of these levels, and let me show you that for now we have this breakdown according to Elliott wave theory. This is our first wave, this is the second, this is the third, fourth and fifth. And usually fourth wave forms a shape of triangle. As you can see, we have this type of triangle, and we break it to the upside, and let's do some more measurements in order to be sure that this is the real structure. And for this reason I pull the Fibonacci extension tool from the bottom of the third wave to the top of the third wave and to the bottom of retracement. Yes, as you can see, it is very technical. Usually the ratio between third wave and fifth wave, without any types of bullishness and bullish sentiment, is 0.786, and we hit it to the tick and then bounce back from it. So in my opinion it is very technical movement, and that's why we can rely on this price action as a completed first wave on a greater scale, slightly greater scale than this one. Let me clean the chart a little bit for now, and let me show you that for now we can measure this entire movement from the bottom to the top, and that's why we can adjust this level to this top, as you can see right here, and here is the bottom. And what do we have here? We have a confluence zone with this previous bottom, and we have a confluence zone with these levels, as you can see, and it might act as very strong support. On top of that, it is a 0.5 level retracement. So from this bottom, from this top to this level, we have a 50% discount, and it is very good level for potential entry points. And basically you can enter your position right here, right after you do your own due diligence. And on top of that, follow my 3 simple rules. First of all, do not put the money that you are not willing to lose. Second one, do not go all in. And third one, do not put stop loss close to your entry price. And let me show you that we have internal targets. It is a short-term targets. It is this resistance / support. For now it acts as a resistance because it is above the price action. And from our current price, we might have about 63% to this level. And I think we might hit it in in a matter of couple of days if we won't break this previous bottom. And this is our major point, this is our major pivot point. And because of this point, we might have a target on a greater scale. And to project these targets, I pull a Fibonacci extension tool from the literally 0 to this top, because 5 waves on a smaller scale implies only 1 wave on a greater scale. And third point at the bottom of the retracement. And so far we have this point as our lowest point, and I put the third point of this tool right here. And with the assumption that we have to land our third wave, we have following targets. First target at 1.618 extension level, as you can see right here, and it is about 200% from our current price, even more, because we have this price action to the downside. It is about 300, almost 300%. And second target is right here at 2.618 level, and it is about 500%. Basically, I don't want to rely for now on these two most aggressive targets, because we have to have more sentiment, more bullish sentiment around the entire crypto market and around the SafeMoon as well. And that's why we have only two targets, two general targets for the long term and the target for the short term. And we have about 63%. So, from the technical standpoint, that's it for now. Please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button if you like my video. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!